Suppose you're responsible for getting Vixen Fix to customers on time in full. On your dashboard one morning, you see an alert. It warns you about today's late delivery penalty exposure. You decide to drill in and find out what's going on with the late batch. At this level, we discover that Vixen Fix is actually two brands. One, the fading incumbent, Sidefex XR, and the other, the rising generic, Vixen Fix IR, each with its own format and strengths. But where's that late batch we're already paying late penalties for? The on-time in full metric points to the answer. One of the challenges of tracking biopharmaceutical products is their variety. Each brand, format, and strength fans out into different containers and capacities, and each of these has its own set of markets. At the market level, we discover the one material that's already late, in red. Now what? Supply chain directors and planners will ask questions like, where's my batch right now? What phase is it in? What's blocking it? A stock out, an upstream delay, an investigation? Let's drill into recent inventory levels and orders for this product. Sure enough, this material is impacted by a deviation, scrapped batches, and a brief stockout that delayed one order fulfillment. The chart shows we just restocked, and net inventory has more than enough stock to cover the 5 unfulfilled orders. This one is okay. As long as we're here, though, what's wrong with the material bound for China? This doesn't look good. It's completely stocked out. Let's check the batches. "11 upcoming deliveries, most already late. Lots of manufactured batches, but none that have started QC testing." Is the material blocked by unreleased material upstream? No. The batch genealogy shows all ingredients are released from QC. We'll call the production shift lead, Brona O'Keefe, to find out what's going on. Some other questions this system is built to answer are, what happens downstream if a batch is delayed or fails? What do we expect to ship this week and next week? Or more broadly, with limited time and money, where do I focus? We would be happy to further demonstrate how connected data and apps can answer those questions faster. Let's talk. Thank you for watching.